in 2022. Is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale and service of RV air conditioner, truck air conditioner, split air conditioner, tent air conditioner, RV air conditioner, parking heater, diesel coolant heater, electric compressor, and other camper products. We are located in Guangzhou City, China, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer services. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure for customers' satisfaction, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. Our cooperation company with strong R&D ability, 5 technical engineers with extensive experience in the field. We have over 20 products, and we are update the new products every year. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Canada, UK, Spain, Switzerland, South Africa, Thailand, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices.
Welcome to Synergy Technology Company. We have 2 different products for the cabin air conditioner. The top roof air conditioner is for the RV car, and the split air conditioner is for the truck. Welcome to set your inquiry.